Welcome to Rome Tech. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Today, we're diving into Paychex, a leading provider of integrated human capital management (HCM) solutions. Paychex simplifies complex HR tasks for businesses of all sizes, from payroll and benefits administration to time and attendance tracking. Navigating the world of HR can be challenging, but Paychex aims to streamline these processes, freeing you up to focus on growing your business. Their comprehensive suite of services is designed to meet the diverse needs of modern businesses, covering everything from hiring and onboarding new employees to managing compliance and regulatory requirements. Paychex recognizes that every business is unique and therefore offers flexible solutions that can be tailored to fit specific requirements. They provide dedicated support and resources to help businesses navigate the complexities of HR management, ensuring compliance and minimizing risk. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, Paychex has solutions designed to scale with your business. From automated payroll processing to robust HR reporting and analytics, Paychex empowers businesses to make data-driven decisions and optimize their workforce management strategies. Their platform also offers a mobile app, providing convenient access to key HR functions on the go. This allows employees to view pay stubs, request time off, and manage their benefits, all from their mobile devices. For business owners and HR professionals, the app provides real-time insights into workforce data, enabling them to manage their teams effectively and stay informed. Beyond just payroll, Paychex provides comprehensive human resource solutions, including benefits administration, talent acquisition, and learning and development programs. This integrated approach helps businesses create a more cohesive and efficient HR ecosystem, supporting employees throughout their entire life cycle within the organization. Paychex is committed to staying at the forefront of industry trends and regulations, ensuring their clients always have access to the latest tools and resources. They continually invest in their technology and expertise to provide innovative solutions that address the evolving needs of businesses in today's dynamic environment. With Paychex, businesses can simplify their HR operations, improve efficiency, and focus on what matters most, driving growth and achieving their strategic objectives. So if you're looking for a reliable and comprehensive HCM solution, be sure to check out Paychex. The link is down in the description. Thanks for watching.